Evening traders, now capitulation is happening. It's gonna happen. Bitcoin looks fucking woeful. Let's just dive straight into it. Let's have a look. So on the hourly, as you can see, we were tracking this head and shoulders. We've got left shoulder, head, right shoulder again. We've got the neckline here. It's broken right below the neckline, and we've had a significant sell-off, about 2%. On leverage. That's a lovely little trade. And we've just come into this sort of consolidation here. As you can see, we've had lots of volatility today, huge volume. Will we break under? Will we break over? Personally, I think once we enter this sell volume here, the buy volume dips off. We are just going to capitulate straight down into this green zone here. I think if we do break onto the upside, we might get like a close onto this neckline here. Although I think that's very unlikely. Sorry. RSI has got plenty of space to move. Consolidation allows the EMAs to catch up, the RSI to catch up. Let's have a look on the 4 hourly. Does it look as shite? Yes, it does. So we've previously, bearing in mind, okay, this head and shoulders has formed right underneath this pennant's resistance. So we've broken out of this pennant trend line, we're broken on the downside, it's come up, it's tried to retest it, it's failed to do so, formed a head and shoulders, and it's shat out basically. So I believe this pennant's back in play, which would have a technical target of about 14.4, which would send it way lower. However, what we want to see what it does at this level here, this capitulation zone. I believe we're just going to consolidate here. Once we've got a bit of buy volume here, but it's not going to be enough at all. We're gonna get to here. We're gonna test here. Obviously, you want to be scaling out about 16k, but mainly you want to be closing your positions here and seeing what it does. This area is a make or break for Bitcoin. After that, I think we could see lows of about 12k, definitely 14k, but it does not look good at all. We look at the daily. I mean, the EMAs are nowhere near. It's way below the 200 EMA. We're definitely going to feel this wick. This will probably be tomorrow by now. And we're just entering this thick sell zone here. Not many buyers in this area at all. The RSI, as I said, has got plenty of place to move. It's quite low at the moment, hence why we need a bit of consolidation. Let the RSI catch up. Weekly again. Weekly not looking good at all. Just a bit of consolidation, and we're gonna have another candle like this, guys, down to 12k. At the moment, I'm in shorts with Bitcoin, ETH, BNB, and Waves. Be careful with Waves because it's incredibly volatile. I mean, look at this. That's an 11% candle in about an hour. So be careful on your leverage, guys. If you're over leveraged, the S&P. Which Bitcoin has, I mean, it's been trading very close to lately, to be fair. The S&P, we're going to see a huge sell-off. As you can see, we're in this channel and we've topped it. There's no doubt about it. We've had a top there, we've had a top there, and we've got another top here. I think this is also going to capitulate down to around the 3,000 level. Definitely the 300 level. But I mean, as you can see here, previously when it's peaked, it's not been pretty at all. I mean, it's dropped 14% there. Obviously, it's going to be fairly slow, but it's definitely going to be a sell-off coming. So just be careful getting your shorts. There's going to be lots of volatility, so watch out for that as well. Make sure you're not over-leveraged. Make sure you follow my Twitter. As you can see here, this is on the 25th, guys. So I mean, a good few days ago, we called this. We saw this head and shoulders forming. This shit stinks, which it did. It was fucking not good at all. And then it formed even more. And as you can see, we had this strong break below the neckline. PTs for Bitcoin, as I said earlier, definitely want to see 16k soon. We definitely want to see a close around the 16k as we come out of this consolidation, hopefully a close under, and then after that this is going to be in a matter of days, this green zone. So yeah, as I said, keep your shorts open, be careful of the volatility, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.